Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to connect headphones. In the beginning, let's take a look at the bottom of the phone. And as you can see, right here, we've got no typical 3.5mm headphones jack. So we are supposed to connect our headphones to this USB-C charging port. Let's do it. And our headphones are connected. Let's go to YouTube and search for some music. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.